Hey, welcome back. This is Dustin, your RV specialist. So we've got a 2015 Grand Design Reflection, and we found some frame cracks on it. So we went ahead and contacted the manufacturer and turned it in, and they are approving it. Originally, we thought that we only had 4 frame cracks. Now we actually came up with a total of 7. And then we also came up with finding some damage to the center leaf spring hangers. Now on this unit, they are taking care of these. We've been turning them in one by one as we come across it. Typically we'll find these when we're doing a wheel bearing pack, or if you come in and specifically ask us to inspect for it. Please keep in mind that some of the units we're able to see when it's on the ground. Some of them were not. Some of them we actually have to put up in the air like this one on stands and get it uplifted high enough to where we can get underneath there and get the tires or sometimes crossbars and whatnot out of the way. So on this particular unit, Zach's on the other side currently getting ready to start diving in on this. He's already dropped all the suspension on it. And let's see in here. So here's one of the cracks here. There is another crack there. And there's a crack over there. And I believe, there's another one back here as well. Right? So those are the typical cracks that we're seeing in the frames. This happens to be a leaf spring hanger for a correct track, and so they don't make those anymore. So if you ever come across one of these and you've got it where it broke loose or it tore or damaged it, you can't purchase those anymore, and you don't really want to try to make one either. So you'd have to cut it off and put a traditional leaf spring hanger like this one. You can see the damage on the wear on this one. It's been getting side impacted from it and also messed up. Same thing with the other one. This particular unit, we did some other pictures and videos on it, and the actual rear axle has never worked. They had the brake wires were cut on it, so it wasn't able to stop, and the consumers didn't know about that until now. Then also on the roadside rear, the bearings of the brake, something's failed within the hub, and then on the curbside front axle, the same thing with something's going on with the hubs in front of that. So we've got those off. We found that out when we took the tires off, rotated the hubs just to see if we heard anything. And that's these guys right here. And I'll see if I can spin this guy to let you hear the noise, right? So you can hear that noise in there. The opposite side over there is doing the same thing, but this was spun around the opposite direction. But basically, you got some kind of issue with your brakes or your bearings. So we'll figure that out as we get further along. We also noticed that you had done like a double shackle link on here as well. And those were impacting against the center equalizer. Or not the equalizer, excuse me, the center hanger. So anyway, stay tuned for more. This is Dustin, RV Specialist. And I'm going to get out of here.